My name is Mamika. So our project is about solar food maker. Most of the people in India using conventional sources, conventional fuel energies for cooking, like electric stoves, kerosene stoves, and with the help of firewood, they are cooking food. So instead of using those those fuel energy source, by using of solar energy, we can make use of cooked food. So the proposed solar food maker can be used for multiple cooking process like frying, drying, boiling, and can also be used for other cooking process like heating water, and it can enhance self-employability of women in rural and urban areas as they can set up cooking systems on their own and can run it with zero fuel charges, and a technology of direct solar cooking and solar PV based electrical cooking with battery backup. So solar food makers are the only smoke free solutions compared to conventional energies, mainly for cooking and for heating water. So the necessity of solar food makers in order to reduce the consumption of firewood or conventional fuel is well recognized by various national organizations and also international organizations. So in spite of various efforts made, so the solar food makers are not become possible due to different reasons. So including the impossibility of using during the period lacking sufficient sunshine for cooking. So our project, even in the absence of sunshine, we can make use of it and we can cook food. And if the use of same solar food maker could be prolonged, maybe for some other useful purposes like warming food, water heating, and which do not require a high solar intensity, and probably more people would like to use this type of solar food maker. So we are using this solar energy for our project, and we can make use of this, and we can cook food.
Now I am going to explain the components used in this solar food maker project. This is the solar panel. It consists of 36 solar cells, 4 rows and 9 columns, total 36 solar cells. The rating is it gives 12 volts and 10 solar power.
This is a charge controller. Here we use this to control the charge coming from the solar panel. It controls total the flow of charge in and out from this solar panels. Used two capacitors. One is 1000 microfarads and another one is 10 microfarads, and we used a PN junction diode. We used a bulb here. These bulbs tells about the intensity of light intensity of the light that this solar panel is exposed to. We used a battery bank here. This is a lead acid battery. We use two batteries here. One is 12 volts 5 amperes and another one is 12 volts 7 amperes. These two are connected in parallel, so we called it a battery bank. This is our inverter and converter circuit. It converts DC power to AC power. Generally our solar panels produces DC power only, but we need AC power to run our food maker, so we used a converter circuit. And here is the transformer. The voltage produced in the solar panel is generally 12 volts, but we need 230 volts to run a normal appliance in our homes, so we used a transformer. This is a step up transformer. It converts 12 volts to 230 volts. It has rating of 580 kilovolt amperes, and this is the switch. If we on this switch, the light will glow. That means this circuit is in on state. We have to off this when there is no need. When this is on, it draws the charge from this battery bank. Then this power is converted to AC power, and this is connected to a plug. Through the plug we can connect any type of The rating of the food maker, it has rated voltage of 220 volts and rated power of 350 watts, and we can cook our 7 eggs at a time in this one. We can do many dishes like omelets, food warming, pizzas, etc. with the help of this food maker.
Now I am going to explain about solar food maker. This is solar panel. The solar panel consists of solar cells. When we expose to the sunlight, solar panel directly converts to the electricity. This is a charge controller. This charge controller consists of resistor, capacitor and PN junction diode. This charge controller uses the flow of charge to the batteries. This batteries is connected in parallel. One battery is consists of 12 volts and 5 amperes. Another battery is 12 volts and 7 amperes. Total is 12 volts by 12 amperes. So this battery is connected in parallel. So one positive, negative is negative connected to the battery. From batteries we are connected to the inverter plus converter circuit. This inverter converter circuit is used to convert DC to AC current. This is step up transformer, 12 volts to 230 volts converter. From this inverter we are connected to the load. We can use here any type of loads like frying pan, induction or rice cooker. This is multi-purpose food maker, like we can boil eggs, we can fry any type of curries. This multi-purpose food maker consists of 220 volts. So we have only 12 volts of batteries. So we are converting 12 volts to 30 volts. We are using step-up transformer to cook any type of food. We can cook food in night times or in rainy days, because we are using the backup batteries. During night times the charge will go reverse to the solar panel. So we are using this diode to stop reverse flow of charge to the solar panel.